Die Jahreszeiten, seasons. Welcome to my channel, German Classroom for Students. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hello students. In today's video, we are going to learn the Jahreszeiten, seasons in German. So, autumn is der Herbst. Der Herbst. Spring is der Frühling. Der Frühling. Summer is der Sommer. Der Sommer. And winter is der Winter. Der Winter. So let's repeat. Die Jahreszeiten. Der Herbst is autumn. Der Frühling is spring. Der Sommer is summer. Der winter is winter. I hope that you have understood this. Thanks for watching this video.